Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy watermelon sorbet. This delightful frozen treat is perfect for a warm day and requires just a few simple ingredients. We will start by preparing our main component, the fresh watermelon. You will need about 4 cups of cubed watermelon, along with a small amount of sugar and a squeeze of fresh lime juice to enhance the flavors. Let's get started. Now that our ingredients are ready, it is time to blend them into a smooth, vibrant liquid. Carefully add the 4 cups of cubed watermelon, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice into your blender or food processor. Process until the mixture is entirely smooth, ensuring no large chunks remain. Give it a quick taste test and add a little more sugar if you prefer it sweeter. Once blended, pour your beautiful watermelon mixture into a shallow, freezer-safe container. This helps it freeze more evenly. Place the container in your freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, or until it reaches a firm, scoopable consistency. To achieve the best texture and prevent large ice crystals from forming, remember to stir the sorbet every 60 minutes during the initial 3 hours of freezing time. After patiently waiting for your sorbet to freeze, it is time to enjoy your delicious creation. Before serving, let the sorbet sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Then, simply scoop the refreshing watermelon sorbet into your favorite bowls or cones. For an extra touch of elegance, garnish with a fresh mint sprig or a small lime wedge. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.